Hello, I just want to show you really quick how to access the course materials. So again, you're going to go to learn.cnm.edu and sign in with your CNM username and password. And then you'll find the link to your course. In this case, it's going to be DO5, so section 5, and you just click on that, and that'll take you to your course. So we're on the welcome page, so for each week, you'll get a little blurb about what is due. So for this week, week 3 discussion, the week 2 quiz are due. Okay, so to find the content, you want to go to Learning Modules over here on the left-hand side. We'll just click on that, and that'll take you to each of the learning modules. Okay, so here's, week 1, week 2, week 3, and you can see here it says week 1, click here. So each of these is a link. So since we're on week 3, we're going to click on the Pursuit of Food link, and that'll take you to the learning modules content. And again, we have reiterated here basically the outline for the week. And here is the table of contents for what we're going to be doing this week. So you can access the content by selecting any of these links, or you can go over here to this little arrow and then click through to the next page in the learning module, which takes us to the textbook. So you just click this link, it'll take you to the textbook, you browse the catalog, and then scroll down over here to Being Human. So it's this book right here, right? And then you'll select more info. Well, let's go back to the course. Okay, so here are some pieces of content. So there's things like videos and things like that. And then if you look over here in the table of contents, you'll see that there are some things that are due. So for one thing, we have a discussion board due this week. We can click here to launch the discussion board, or we can also go over here on the left-hand side to access the discussion. Let's just click that to launch button, and that'll take us to the discussions page. You'll scroll down to each of the discussions. So we're interested in week 3 discussion. This is a link right here. So if you look at the week 1 discussion, it says week 1 forum, click here. So those are clickable links. Let's click on that. Okay, so there's nothing here. We want to create a thread. So when you go to make your initial post, which should be 150 words, you'll click on it, scroll down, add a title, and then compose your post. And then when you're done, you'll go down here to the bottom right-hand side and select Submit. Okay. Also due this week, if we go back to the learning module, Pursuit of Food, over here in the table of contents, we'll see that there's a quiz due. So we can just click this link right here, and then we want to click to launch the quiz. Okay, so we could just click it. It'll give us a little blurb here, and then when you want to begin, you just begin, and when you're done, you submit. Okay, so for some weeks we'll have a film response. So you can find the film response inside of each learning module, and you can click that link just like we did for the discussions or for the quizzes, or you can come over here again to the left-hand side and select film responses. Okay, and it'll tell you again what the due dates are. So each of these is a link. So we're going to click that link, film response 1, and here are the instructions. Okay, so you follow these instructions. Here's the rubric. Here are the possible films to choose from. And then when you're ready, when you have composed your film response, you'll click here. Again, each of these is a link, and then scroll down a bit. And then just like an email attachment, you'll browse your computer, find the appropriate file, select open. You'll see it attaches here, right? So you know that you've got it pending. And then when you're ready, you'll come down here and select submit. and that will submit your video or film response. Now to check your grades, you come over here to My Grades, and that'll show you all your current scores. Okay? So I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know.